Okay, now on to the productive styles. We'll start with the guided discovery. With guided discovery, the learner finds a comfortable way to perform a task using self-exploration. The teacher will give a few instructions. For instance, the teacher will say, with the basketball unit, really, right in the beginning, I want you to put this ball in the hoop. And the very novice beginner will use different techniques to try to get the ball in the hoop, and then we'll come back and talk about what they did, how they felt about it, and then the teacher will show the proper technique on how to shoot the basketball, and then the students will then be able to uh, ultimately try that technique and keep adjusting as they keep practicing. They will find out basically what best works for them. Next, we have convergent discovery. Here, learners are given guidelines to accomplish a task by the teacher and find the best possible production of the complete task based on the guidelines given by the teacher. The teacher will present a question, uh, then the learners will engage in reasoning and seek to discover the single and only solution to the problem. Divergent discovery, learners are presented with guidelines that give them the opportunity to find multiple ways to accomplish a task. Going back to that frisbee, uh, ultimate frisbee or frisbee golf example, um, the the student can throw multiple ways. Uh, some technique might be better than others, and some students might be better at throwing it with the forearm technique than the backhand. So they're kind of discovering multiple ways, and they're getting multiple feedback and ultimately learning in the process. And last is the learner's individual design program. Um, the learner designs their own tasks or own series of tasks that are based off of the teacher's general subject matter. So, say for dance class, the teacher says you have to create a jazz dance or a line dance. So, the topic would be line dance. Every student would have to go either in a group or individually, and they can create their own dance, but as long as it stays within the guidelines. And ultimately, this promotes a lot of creativity and gives a lot of freedom for the students to do whatever they want. And I think this is a really fun technique.